good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine students at your home and preparing very nicely for your examinations which is going to come, right? So welcome students to standard 2 English video, and in this video we are going to do the revision work. This is your revision video, children, and what we are going to revise? We are going to revise answer these questions. Okay? We are going to revise some question answers from the chapter. So our first question is, why was Hina sad? Children, what was the reason for the sadness of Hina? Why was Hina sad? Hina was sad because he had lost his love, and everywhere Hina was moving in search of the love, right? Finally, monkey helped Hina, monkey tickled Hina, right, with a feather, and after that, Hina started to laugh because Hina's laugh was inside the Hina only. Understood? So, why was Hina sad? Hina was sad because he had lost his love. The next question is, what does the speaker think the moon is? What does the speaker, who is the speaker of this poem? The poem The Sun has been written by the poet Gareth Lancaster. And what does Gareth Lancaster think the moon is? Please see. Let's read one time the poem. Don't you think the sun is bright? I wonder where it goes at night. Does it sleep or does it hide? Or is the moon its other side? The poet says that, does the sun go for sleep or does it hide? Does it sleep or does it hide? Or is the moon its other side? So poet says here, poet thinks here that the speaker thinks that the moon is on the other side of the sun. The speaker thinks that the moon is on the other side of the sun, right? Next question is, did Partho and his team put up a notice saying wet paint? Children, did Partho and his team put up the notice saying wet paint? No, Partho and his team didn't put up a notice saying wet paint. Why? Why they didn't put? Because when they sat after completing the work, when Partho and his team sat on the benches which they painted, okay? So when they stood up, their backs were covered in paint. So this line says that Partho and his team didn't put up a notice saying wet paint, right? The next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is, why does the speaker wonder if the sun needs to rest? Why does the speaker wonder if the sun needs to rest? The speaker wonders if the sun needs to rest because the sun always shines for the whole day. The speaker wonders here that if the sun needs to rest. Why the sun needs to rest? The speaker compares here the sun to a man, okay, to the people, that when we just after doing hard work, after working for a long time, we people need to rest. In the same way, poet also thinks about the sun here, that the sun also needs to rest, right? After shining for the whole day, after spreading sunshine for the whole day, the sun also needs to take rest. Understood? The next question is, according to the speaker, what is the sun's hiding place? The poet says that, does it hide behind the hills? Does it hide behind the hills or late at night as outside chills? So, according to the speaker, the sun's hiding places behind the hills, because the poet talks also here in the lines of the poem, that does it go behind the hill? Does it hide behind the hills late at night as outside chills? So the sun's hiding places behind the hills, my dear. The sun's hiding places behind the hills. Now the next question is, who said, I will never lose my laugh again? Who said these words? Who said this sentence that I will never lose my laugh again? So Haina said that I will never lose my laugh again. Who said? Haina said. And why did he say this? Because Haina was very scared of his big teeth, and he just Haina went to many animals in search of his laugh, and finally when Haina got its laugh inside him, so Haina said that I will never lose my laugh again, because it is inside me only. Okay, because the laugh was inside me only, and I went to many animals. I went to 4 animals, right? And I said them to find my laugh, but it was inside me, right? So finally Haina said, when all the animals gathered after listening the laugh of Haina, Haina said in front of everyone that I will never lose my laugh again, right? So these words were said by Haina. The next question is, what did Partho and his team enjoy in the park? When Partho and his team, when they worked for 2 days, right? So after completing their work, when their work was completed, Partho and his team enjoyed tea and snacks in the park. What did Partho and his team enjoy? Partho and his team enjoyed tea and snacks in the park. The next is, what is the rhyming word of hills? What is the rhyming word of hills according to the poet in the poem The Sun? In the poem The Sun, poet uses here many rhyming words. Children, what are rhyming words? Do you know? The rhyming words are the words which have same ending sound. Rhyming words are the words which have same ending sound, right? Like bright, night, hills, chills, late, gate. Understood? So the words which have same ending sound are called rhyming words. So here the question is, what is the rhyming word of hills according to the poet in the poem The Sun? So the rhyming word of hills is chills according to the poet in the poem The Sun. What is the rhyming word of hills? Chills. The next question is, what happens to the sun? What happens to the sun in the evening and at night? So children, where the sun goes at night? Right? At night we can see the sun? No. We can only see the moon, the stars. Right? We can only see the moon, the stars. So, do you think that where the sun goes? Do you think where the sun goes at night? Yes, children, you are right. The sun goes round and round, because earth is not flat, no? So, the sun goes round and round, spreading sunshine on the ground. Wherever the sun goes, it spreads sunshine on the ground. And after getting the sunshine, the flowers start to bloom, right? Plants prepare their food. Understood? And the earth looks very Beautiful. Right, children? So the sun goes round and round, spreading sunshine on the ground, children. So thank you, students, for watching this video till end. Thank you. I hope you all have understood each and everything, and if you have any problem, any query, you can ask it in the class when I'll be teaching these questions. So thank you, students. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Take care.